All right guys, welcome back to the channel. I am very fortunate to be out here with Coach Jim Foreman today. And what are we going to be working on today, Coach?
With rifle, we're going to get used to shooting with gear, which you had the Faro Concepts V5 on. And so that's a whole different angle. Shooting with a sling, you know, most people may have full extended stock when they're shooting prone or standing, and you're not going to be doing that if you got gear on. And you shouldn't do that anyways. We're talking about extending your weapon out to clear everything.
Right.
And you should do that even if you're just wearing a t-shirt, because eventually you may be wearing a jacket or something, and you always have that habit of clearing your gear. The other thing we're going to talk about pistol and rifle is getting pressure on the trigger before you get it shouldered or before you get it totally pushed out, and you get a quicker shot.
All right, I'm looking forward to this.
My name is Alan Baker, and I've dedicated over 45 years to the study of the combative arts. Welcome to the Warrior's Path, where we train minds and bodies through the study of violence.
All right, Coach, for a lot of the guys out there who don't know who you are, can you give us a little bit about your background?
Yeah, just retired a few years ago from the SEAL teams, did 27 years there. And now I have my own company where I teach shooting and leadership. And then I also work for Faro Concepts, where we have all the gear, the slings and all that stuff to showcase today. Okay, so what we want to do, so this is where you want to shoot from. And then now go ahead, stay in that stance. And then, so you have your head like this. Now bring the weapon down like that, there. So it's going to be tucked in there. And so what this drill is going to do is you're going now go ahead, you're looking at the silhouette with all the rust on it. You're just going to go for a body shot. You're not going to shoot right now, but go ahead and get your weapon clear of your gear. So what you're going to do is, instead of just doing this, you're going to extend the whole weapon out. Go ahead. And so that was exactly, and then pull back to clear your gear. So every time you go to raise your weapon, it's going to be out and then back in. And then that's when your shots are going to come off. Boom,
Okay.
boom. So what we want is 2 shots on the center silhouette on you. All right. Now do the same thing and just speed it up. You're going to extend. It's going to come off safe as you extend it, and then as you pull them back, you're pulling the trigger.
Okay.
Yep. Again.
That takes some getting used to.
Yeah. Good. Now, this is it. I noticed that you're not putting the safety on until you bring it back. Like right when you extend, boom, boom. And then like you could be scanning, but when you're done, put it on safe and then bring it back.
Okay.
Right? Don't shoot, bring it back, and then put it on safe, because that whole time your trigger hit something and it could go off. So after you're done shooting, put it on safe and then bring your weapon back.
Sir.
There you go. Good. Okay, you got 5 head plates. So we're gonna scoot 3 steps to the right so we don't get a ricochet. And you're gonna do extend, 1 shot. Extend, another shot, all down the line. All right, this time, after you shoot, just let it sit there. All right, just hold. All right, so go ahead and shoot. Now just let it hold, take your finger out, flip it, the safety, and now bring it back. All right, last one. There you go, and that's it. All right, this time I want you to extend and shoot all 5 targets with 1 shot.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. How'd that feel?
Feel better.
Yeah. So this just getting used to this gear.
Yeah.
So when you take your gear off, should you push out forward anymore?
Well, when I don't have something like this on, it's usually straight up, I guess.
What I'm saying is when you don't have any more gear on, still get it out.
Still do it, okay.
Yeah, because it may be a cold weather and you may have a big jacket.
Right.
And if you just come straight up, you're gonna get it caught on that jacket and you're gonna be, oh man, and then you're gonna be doing this.
Okay.
So always come out. Even in a t-shirt, always come out because you're clearing stuff.
Okay.
Yep, so that will be your new mantra is clear your weapon and your gear. Have your weapon clear your gear and you take your shots and bring it back.
All right.
Good to go.
Starting it to dry fire.